Kpop Study Session Week 5, 4/27/2025. Table of contents: must-know verbs, past tense and present tense, possessive tense, and introducing stray kids. Must-know verbs: to know, to live, to sleep, to go, to laugh, to eat, to die, to cry, to buy, and to meet. To know, alda. To live, salda. To sleep, chada. To go, kada. To laugh, uda. To eat, mokta. To die, jukta. To cry, ulda. To buy, sada. To meet, manada. Da, word ending for verb and adjective. It is for grammar. The word in front of the is the word stem or the word meaning. Past tense in Korean. In order to do past tense, you have to identify if there is bachum. There are 3 types of verbs: no bachum verb, bachum verb, and hada verb. Hada means to do. For example, a no bachum verb is chada, to sleep. Remember, da refers to grammar. An example of a bachum verb would be ulda, to cry. For our hada verb, we have kambuhada, which means to study. Now let's work on changing them into past tense. We want to change it from to sleep to slept, and then to cry to cried, and then to study to studied. Chada becomes chasoyo, which means slept. Ulda becomes ulosoyo, which means cried. Kambuada becomes kambuhasoyo, which means studied. Example of 4 verbs to use for present tense: to sleep, to meet, to laugh, and to cry. Present tense, verbs in their dictionary forms: to sleep, chada, to meet, manada, to laugh, uda, and to cry, ulda. Now we have present tense, and we will be doing these in the semi-formal, because in most situations you would use semi-formal. In order to change from dictionary form, there are 2 different ways to do it. There's ayo and oyo. You know to use ayo when there is no bachum and the vowels a and o are present in the last place of the syllable block. Now let's get these out of their dictionary form, shall we? So the first one is going to be cha da. So we know that we're going to use ayo because the vowel a is at the end of the syllable block. So cha yo. It would be cha yo, because like I wrote down here, when there is a but no bachum, you get rid of the a and just add yo, because it would be redundant to say cha ayo, cha ayo. That's not right. So it just comes out as cha yo. Our next verb is to meet, manada, and that is going to change into manayo, manayo. Our next verb is uda, and it's going to turn into osoyo. With this one, we use the oyo instead of the ayo, because uda is bachum. Our last verb is ulda, and that's going to turn into uloyo. Now we're moving on to possessive tense in Korean. Hangul ui shows possessive tense. Here we have Lino's doll, Nino inhyang, Han's car, hancha, my tumbler, informal, na tumbulo, or formal, jo tumbulo. Lino inhyang would then be turned into Lino wi inhyang. Hancha would then be turned into hanwi cha. The informal na tumbulo would then be turned into nawi tumbulo. Formal cho tumbulo would become cho wi tumbulo. It can also be pronounced as ne tumbulo and cha tumbulo. Introducing Stray Kids or 새들의 귀주. Our first member is Bangtan. Lino, Felix, and next Hyunjin, the maknae of the group, Ayan. Changbin is exactly how it sounds, Changbin. And then we have Sungmin. And last but certainly not least, Han.